Okay, so here's a demo of the prototype that I've whipped up for my video game design class. And right now it's just a stick figure, and he can rotate left and right. He can go forward. He cannot go back, so if you want to go back, you have to do a 360 and manually go back. But if you press and hold the space bar, it adds upward force to him. So he'll go up in the air depending on how long you hold down the space bar. So, thinking on that idea, I've kind of thought up maybe a sort of jetpack utility. Since the theme for our game is space based, there's a lot of things going on in space on a planet that maybe has low gravity. So, the main character might have a jetpack of sorts. So, this is just an idea, or if this were to develop into another completely different game, maybe that it's a 3D platforming involving jetpacks. Like, for instance, maybe there's an item on the top of this mountain that you have to get to, if you can land on it. There is a mouse look enabled right now, but the only drawback to it is I have not been able to figure out how to get the character to turn with the mouse. So you can use the mouse to get a good view of your environment, where you're going to land, but you kind of have to think like you're driving it like a tank. But there you have it. And just as a little side of ridiculousness, here is a physics-based house I built for a previous demonstration. And something interesting I've figured out is that if the force applied to the character is great enough, and the mass of objects used to build said house is low enough, then he can shove himself right on through and just push things out of the way and make the entire house crumble. So something I would like to add to this is perhaps a system where you could use the character maybe with some sort of like weapon or like a gun or something to deform terrain, and perhaps that's a way of getting to other objectives. Like maybe there's a mountain that's too high for you to get over, but you need to get something on the other side, so you're able to blow off part of the mountain or something like that. Or there's something in the building you need to get to. So there you have it, a little jetpacking prototype for a 3D adventure game.